Morning. So it's about 7:30 in the morning. Just finished loading up the truck. So there's the truck and the flatbed car hauling trailer. And we're going to be heading towards Oregon. So we got about 4 hours to drive ahead of us. And then we'll meet up with this guy for the sleeper unit and then strap everything down, seal it up, and drive another 4 hours home. So hopefully everything goes well. But yeah, just using the F-150 today, the 2018. So it's actually the wife's rig. I didn't want to blow $150 on fuel driving the F550. So I think it'll be fine though, because those sleepers only weigh like 1,000 pounds or less. So, okay. I'll keep you updated. So we were just taking a break here at the Space Age gas station. We've been on the road for about an hour and a half and decided to top off the tank before I head into Oregon. So we'll be about another 45 minutes to an hour and we'll be in Portland. And then from there, we're going to be going all the way out to Molalla. So it's, I think, like an hour and a half southeast of Portland. So that's where we're going. I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, if you're ever up here and you go to one of these Space Age gas stations, they're pretty awesome. They've got everything, including showers, bathrooms, attached restaurants, and everything. It's pretty cool. All right, see you guys later. So I'm going to have to redo a bunch of the fabric and everything, but it's all in there in boxes and bins. This is one of the plastic bins that go up in the top corner, kind of like this side has one. It's double bunk beds. It's got the original Peterbilt accessories in there. I just got to rebolt it all back together. But it's sweet. They said they rattle canned it a while back, so that's why it's just black. But at least it's not rusting. Most of it's aluminum. It does have a fiberglass ultra top on it. But yeah, we're going to be loading that up here in just a second. So they're going to grab the forklifts and load it up for us. But yeah, exciting. Throw it back out a little bit. He says that that thing's closer to 2,000 pounds with all of the stuff inside of it, including the air conditioning and the dual bunks and all the accessories. It's even got the original frame brackets underneath it. It's moving. There's an air compressor on his right side. It's on his tiptoes. Now let's get out of his way. Yeah, I think your tractor might be able to lift it up. Yeah. Yeah, the thing's almost 7 feet tall on the back. On top of our 2.5, 3 foot frame, we're like,
That should go by. That's too long.
we'll have to remove all of those brackets and everything. And those are supposed to have airbags on them. The airbags are blown out. Can't use any of the factory stuff. Is there much room behind the forks?
What's that?
Can you lift it completely over the fenders and then, I don't know. I'm just...
Okay. We're not going to squish the fence.
Okay. Ooh. It'll be a challenge to unload this. It's pretty windy out here in Molalla today, but we got it strapped up. Let's see if I can back up enough. Here we go. Yeah, 63 inches deep. I think it's like 90 inches wide. It's the Peterbilt one with all the cushions still inside, and it's a double bunk. So we got it all put on there, and got like 5 straps on the thing. Got it all tarped shut so then no water will get in. But we almost lost our suspension earlier today. If we can look down here, See those brand new bolts under there. Yeah, they rattled loose somewhere along the way before we left Washington, I guess. And it was riding really rough and chattering and shaking. So bad that our light completely ripped off. It was shaking so bad it just and then pow, broke off. So right now we're at O'Reilly's. We're grabbing some magnetic trailer lights. We're gonna put them on the fenders and wire it up so that we get back to Washington today. But yeah, we got it all loaded on. That was very scary. I know there's a lot of weight on the front of this trailer. It'll be fine even though we're only running an F-150 because it's not that heavy, and it's easier to get on and off with the forklifts. If we put it right over the axles, then that could cause some problems. And the tires can handle it. You can see they're not even squatting because these are old mobile home axles from like the 80s, and they're like 8K axles with 14 ply tires on them. So like they don't have a problem at all holding a ton of weight. But yeah, so we'll be heading back through Oregon and up to Washington here in a little bit. It's about 1 in the afternoon. Well, we got it in the lift today. So it's up above the height of the van frame, I believe. We cleaned out all the stuff in the interior. It's pretty cool because it's a double bunk. And then I have all of the cloth interior panels and stuff right here. And then in the back of the truck out there, we've got all the plastic panels around everything and all of the compartments and lights and wiring, because that thing even has air conditioning in it. And we got it up on the hoist now. And I already started cutting these airbags off of here. I got the bolts off, so that bag's just hanging loose on this bracket. So I'll pull these shocks out. And then underneath, I cleared and cleaned almost everything out. There's one sway bar right there I got to unbolt. And then on the front, all of the AC lines and coolant lines are removed. So it's got one electrical harness right there that's sitting inside, but pulled most of the interior stuff out. It's going to be pretty good. We're down to mostly the shell and a couple of trim pieces. So got piles and piles of parts, but I'll show you that here in a sec.
Yeah.
Here we go. We got it setting on there. We haven't bolted it down, but finally got everything trimmed and adjusted. There's a little bit of a gap above the cab of it right up there. You can see that needs to be filled. So we're gonna have to get like 12-inch aluminum sheet and rivet that and seal it up and paint it. But we're gonna start drilling all the holes and bolting it against the cab, bolting it against the frame. There's 6 frame mounts that are still available to hit the bottom of the thing. So we'll have 6 frame mounts going through rubber grommets, and then 12 on the back of the cab. That's going to hold it down. Sorry, I'm a little winded. Isn't that a cool DeLorean all tarped up? Yeah, that's cool. All right, it's definitely coming along. And it just barely misses the duals. It's about 3 inches in front of the duals right now. So even if the tires squish down, they'll go up behind the cab. But yeah, probably going to have to put some quarter fenders up there just to protect the aluminum from all the water and rain. But yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, it's starting to look pretty good. That's a full semi-sleeper in it. So we got to go get some bolts. We got to need 12 bolts, 24 washers, and nylon lock nuts to go all the way around the entrance between the van and the sleeper. And then we need 6 underneath, long ones, like 6-inch bolts, grade 8, going through the frame and the body mounts. So then everything's bolted together. All right, so I sealed the top little area. I got to put the metal on with that plastic you can see. But we just finished driving it back. We got it off the lift over at Buddy's place and got it back into my unit. So we're going to do some more work tomorrow, but it's looking pretty good. Got it centered within a 32nd of an inch, front to back, left to right. So it looks pretty good. And as soon as I get that flashing up for that top area, it'll be great on the outside. We're still got to repaint it white too, but it's doing good. Well, we've been at it, putting the cab on for 12 hours now. I'm filthy, tired. Started in the dark, ended in the dark. We got more to go. Right now you can see there's a small part above it. I had to put plastic above the cab because I got to put it outside tonight. And then tomorrow, we're going to put aluminum across there, aluminum paneling, 12 inches tall. 6 feet across, to trim it, drill it, and rivet it all in and everything, and seal it. And then we can paint the thing white to match the van. That'll look a lot better. But I'm spent, guys. So I'll give you more updates on this. This is probably going to be the end of this video, and then we'll have to pick up because it's been a long day and I'm tired. Starting to make mistakes and got cuts and bruises everywhere. So see you guys later. Bye.